Hello, everyone. Today we're comparing Chase Freedom Unlimited versus Chase Sapphire. Preferred to help you decide which card fits your lifestyle. The Chase Freedom Unlimited is perfect for everyday spending. You earn 1.5% unlimited cash back on all purchases, plus bonus rewards on dining and travel, all with no annual fee. It's simple, flexible, and beginner-friendly. On the other hand, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is ideal for travelers. You earn 2 times points on travel and dining, and points are worth more when redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards for travel. It does have a $95 annual fee, but the travel perks and higher redemption value often outweigh the cost. So if you want simple cashback with no fees, go for Freedom Unlimited. But if you love travel rewards and maximizing points, Sapphire Preferred is the better choice. If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more credit card comparisons and tips.